Hello, commanders. This is Miss World Class. We're getting ready to go into our off limit. So let's go. And y'all know I'm always talking about how my dang, what I'm trying to say. how my AR be. Yeah. This one sucks too. Hey, they finally gave us 2 whales, and what they do? Give Jade and Azure 3 whales. Give Gold no whales. And guess what Jade and Azure do? They scary asses to decide to work together. Yeah, I said it. You're scary. You should have picked the younger teams to make it more fun, more challenging. No, you want to take the easy route. Scary selves. Yeah, I said it. Darn it. No doggone well Gold probably ain't gonna fight. Just like the last AR. That's all what Gold did. It went the other way. So, got me mad. I forgot to check the teams. Hold on. Forgot to check the damn teams. Oh yeah, and now Mike was the highest too, so let's see what happens. So far this looks like it's gonna be pretty easy. Looks simple so far. Let's see if anybody else pop up, cause we all here. Still 1 baby over there, 4 right there. Okay, y'all got. Oh, okay. We got, there go. Okay, there go 2 more. Well, I hate to tell you, but we gotta go after this. Okay, so we're going that way. Alright. It's about time to go in. See if anybody else popped up. No, not yet. Alright. If we don't win this, something wrong. I'm serious. Something is wrong. And whatever it is, I don't like it. At all. I hope I got all my troops right, because, yeah, I was struggling in that first to get some things done. I don't know what the hell was going on with me. So I finally got my 4th infantry set stronger than my rider set.
This spot's safe.
So,
for now.
Now I could use, even though it's still a baby, I could, you know, put him on the field instead of my riders. But I can't put him on the field like in major events. You know what I'm saying? Like the really big events. I can't do that just yet.
It's time to hunt.
I do not want to garrison this. I'll garrison it for now. But truth be told, I don't want to garrison it. I'd rather save it to see if we can at least get the middle first. But I'll go on ahead and do it. Alright, let's go on ahead and go. Come on, we took forever. Did y'all really come over here? You don't get y'all asses away from us. What's wrong with y'all? Oh, y'all really trying it like that, huh? Okay. I guess y'all AR got y'all gave y'all some confidence. Okay. We not your AR, baby. You might not want to try that. Yeah, you might not want to try that. We're not your AR. Keep that in mind, please. Thank you so kindly.
Look here, Mr. Zombie.
Okay.
Look here, Mr. Zombie.
Talking about who gonna get this one first, huh? Oh, I see y'all falling off. That's for sure.
Look here, Mr. Zombie.
Wait a minute. Are we in here? Oh, that's why I keep popping up the reinforcement thing. We in there. Oh, okay. Okay, so who is Garrison in there? Wait, he Garrison with Riders. We done threw just anything up in there. So we don't threw anything up in there, huh? Okay, yeah, sure. Well,
Just go here, please.
I mean,
Just
I'm out here
go
on the field with
please.
little Sophie. Y'all know little Sophie just a baby.
Go here, please.
Little Sophie ain't doing nothing. Yeah, little Sophie ain't doing nothing. She's just a baby.
Go here, please. Just go here, please.
Okay, well, I just do what I can with my one little
Just go
little
here,
squad.
please.
Sure, yeah, the rest of it is in the building.
For this.
Let me see, you
Just
there?
go here,
You there?
please. Stella is ready. How's my makeup?
Sophie,
How's my makeup?
why are they leaving out? Wait, what happened? Okay, yeah, I'm not sure what that was all about. But Sophie went out. I mean, y'all saw what
How's
just
my
happened.
makeup?
Sophie walking away, I'm trying to make her
How's my
come back,
makeup?
and then Stella jumps out.
Hear my song.
You see what I'm saying? They don't listen to me. When I'm trying to tell them to do, they don't do it. They do their own thing. Nobody told Stella to jump her happy ass out the
How's
damn.
my makeup?
You know what? Somebody told her to jump her happy ass out that damn building. I'm so tired of her.
Stella is ready.
Now I had a couple subscribers saying,
Stella is ready.
yeah, Stella is not good for the field. Oh, trust me, I know. I know. The thing is,
Stella is ready.
she all I got right now. Yeah, I
Stella is ready.
don't have anything else to fight
Stella
with.
is ready.
So Stella has to be the one that I use for now, unfortunately.
Stella is ready. Hear my song. How's my makeup? How's my makeup?
Well, I mean, Stella, I've done told you 1,000 times, unless you
How's
bust
my
somebody
makeup?
upside the goddamn head with your lipstick
How's my
container,
makeup?
shut the hell up about your damn makeup.
Stella
We don't
is
give a damn how your makeup look. We really don't.
How's my
We don't care
makeup?
about your insecurities. You need to fight. Damn, they couldn't
How's
give
my
you a
makeup?
better damn slogan or quotation
my
to say.
makeup?
How's your makeup? You don't stop playing with me, I know something.
Stella is ready. How's my makeup? Stella is ready. Stella is ready. How's my makeup? How's my
Still with the
makeup?
foolishness. She's still concerned about her makeup. Damn, they will not stop coming.
Stella is ready.
They will not stop coming. Okay, goodness.
Hear my song.
It's just one thing after another. with
Stella
them.
is ready.
Yeah. I mean, is it still just a little too? Oh, y'all are so adorable. Look at y'all just keep coming out getting killed. Y'all don't give a damn. Y'all done use up all your little healing tools too, didn't you?
How's
I know
my
you did.
makeup?
I bet you ain't got no healing tools left. You just sit up there like a damn fool, just coming out, killing. But hey, one thing I keep telling y'all is I like commanders that don't give up. Yeah, like even though I don't like my, all right, baby. Like even though I don't like my my AR, oh you better believe I'm gonna be out there fighting. Oh hell yeah, I'm gonna be there. Yeah, if y'all there, I'm there. Yeah, if y'all gonna fight, I'm gonna fight too. Oh yeah, I would never be the one to say, oh no, I'm not fighting, cause the match is unfair. I'm gonna say the match is unfair, but you better believe if y'all fighting,
How's my
look at
makeup?
them, look at them,
Stella is ready.
look at the two little babies. They refuse to give up. They are really being pains in the ass.
Look
at 'em.
here, Mr. Zombie.
She's really doing
Stella
it.
is ready.
Was that the hero that got the baby on him? I know I can't stand that hero. Why the hell
Stella
y'all
is
put that
ready.
hero out there? I mean, look, I get it
Stella is ready.
in the zombie apocalypse list.
Stella is ready.
You're gonna have children strapped to their
Stella
parents,
is
of
ready.
course.
Stella is ready.
But at least if you was gonna
Look here,
make
Mr.
him,
Zombie.
why the hell you didn't make him strong as hell? So when we
Stella
see
is
him,
ready.
look at this, they just won't stop. Oh my God.
Stella is ready.
So him and the baby could be successful on the field. As a mother of 5, you think I want to see that baby getting
Stella
killed?
is ready.
No, I don't.
How's my makeup?
Get a baby a gun or put some bullets in his pacifier and make him be worthy to
Stella
fight on the
is
field.
ready.
Yeah, I said it.
Look here,
Make
Mr.
the baby
Zombie.
worthy to fight on the field. Even his sounds when you click on
How's
him
my
as in
makeup?
hero section, it's disturbing. He should look your babies. Him need his mamas. And his daddy try his best.
Stella is ready. Stella is ready.
Read up on the story about them too. What happened to the mama. One thing about me, I love dads that's there for their children. My goodness. That is so sexy. Ain't nothing like seeing a daddy with his kids. I be darned. It's the most beautiful thing ever. Yeah, it really is. Alright, let's see what's going on, you know.
How's my makeup?
Stop it. Sheesh. My stuff keep falling. Stop. Sheesh, I'm busy. You don't see that in my life right now? And you been aggravating as hell. Sheesh. Let me fold this up. Put this right here. Okay. Hey, I only got one troop on the damn field anyway. Do it really matter what I'm doing? Or not doing? Everybody else inside the building. Let me see, do you need to be refilled? How many you got? Oh, you look pretty decent. People are going on ahead and give you a refresher anyway. How about that? Oh, this is ready to open up. Okay.
How's my makeup? As long as I never thought I'd perform in such an empty place, but it feels
I did it all
pretty
wrong.
good.
I did that all wrong. I'm supposed to hit my dog on
How's
my
my makeup?
pre-save slots. I'm somewhere else. Boy, it'd be hard for me to focus sometimes.
How's my
I
makeup?
remember certain things. It really do. I be struggling. But I make it. I make it. I make it.
Stella is ready.
Whew, I make it.
How's my makeup?
Yeah. Some days I don't even want to get out of bed. I have to force myself.
How's my makeup?
Even while I force myself, still, I just don't even want to be around. But I'm here.
How's my makeup?
Okay, so you done got kicked out because they done closed that. So I'm gonna bring you over
It's
here.
time to hunt.
Hold on, actually, how many troops you got? Yeah,
It's time to hunt.
yeah, come on. Come on over here.
Oh, the smell of meat. I'm coming for you.
Stella is ready. How's my makeup?
Hold on, let me check. Look, the
How's my
flag is
makeup?
still on that one. Okay, understand. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Okay, so we going to this one.
How's my makeup?
Oh, what is this? Get your little ass away from here. Oh, you got the airplane. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Hear my song!
What's your song about, girl? What's your song about? Oh, did they just take this from us?
Stella is ready. Stella is ready.
Well, we over here first.
Stella is ready. Stella is ready.
That was so disrespectful. You know, I just realized I ain't been seeing no rallies. Yeah, I ain't been seeing no rallies. Oh, Commanders, I decided I'm gonna try to how to do live on TikTok for my GW event. I don't know if I'll be able to do it yet, but I'll let y'all know. So y'all stay tuned for that. And if I'm doing it by the time this video airs, I will definitely make sure I give y'all the link in the descriptions of my videos. So yeah. You know, I'm new to all this type of stuff, so I gotta just learn how all this stuff works. And hopefully it don't stress me out, because if it do, then I won't be able to do it. But I'm gonna see what happens 1 or 2 times. Y'all know GW, I get my ass whooped, so I don't even record it. But I feel like, you know, it might be more fun if I, you know, got a little audience looking and watching what we go through, and yeah, you know, just have some fun with it. At least try. So now all of my squads are inside this. Okay, so where you at? Yeah, y'all gonna kill yourself. We not worried about that. But it's cute that y'all trying. And then they said they got a rally on this one. Okay, so we already up in here. Oh wow, we got 4 buildings, y'all. We getting 360 points right now. Oh, they don't like us at all right now, y'all. They don't. Okay. All my squads are in all the buildings.
How's my makeup?
But let me go get her ready. So I told all my squads in the building except my rally squad for the center. So, yeah. So I'm just gonna wait because there's really nothing else to do. All my squads in the building except for Stella, and Stella is the one that's going to rally this building here. So I'm gonna just wait. Matter of fact, we didn't have much to heal, which that's a good thing. Okay, what's your dog say? Okay, well I'm back. I had to get my baby together, and was feeding my face. Okay. Okay. Oh boy. Feel. Okay, so we got a decent amount of points, but y'all know that don't mean nothing. But once you take that medal, all that could change quickly. Yeah, that's 360 million points per minute. What the hell is going on? Okay, so let me see. I got 2 minutes to go. Prepare for center. This one getting ready to close anyway. Yeah, this one getting ready to close, so. Let me use this. Prepare. Prepare for center. That's Fluffy McButternuts. Fluffy, I can't talk to you right now. I'm recording. You know I ain't clicking on your chat because you be saying the darndest things. He do. He be saying the darndest things. I'm waiting for it to open. That being said, might as well send you home. Come on.
We'll chop you in half.
They chop them in half, dirty. They beat you up on your way home. Chop them in half. Yeah, look at them jumping on you while you trying to go home. At least it'll get you there quicker. Let them beat you up.
long as someone is still listening, I will keep singing for them.
There we go.
That meat is more tender than any other animal's. You definitely want to try a piece.
I'm getting my troops up out of there. I need my troops for the center. I've been saying for the center for the longest. Why is Baby Doll over here fighting? What is going on? We need to be preparing for the center. Right here.
It's time to hunt.
Yeah, me too. I need your butt over here.
This spot's safe. For now. Something's not right. Stay sharp.
Help. Play too damn much. Alright. I need to put you in there. Okay. And then you will garrison there. And Stella, you can come and garrison over here. Okay, don't let they coming forward. I don't see no rallies.
It's time to hunt.
Guess they say bumper. We're not even gonna try. Okay, well, let me get you right. Yeah, don't look like we got much going on. Salt baked chicken. Tell my he tempted to go there. There ain't nothing going on. I mean, don't see what harm it's gonna cause. Oh, they over here fighting. Oh. Yeah, they ain't thinking about us. They ain't thinking about us or the middle. I should just take a picture. Yep. Yeah. They ain't thinking about us, y'all. But that's a good thing. I shall not complain. We have won. We have one, so yay. That's all I'm gonna say there. Yay. Well, about the AR, I was telling my Legion, I say it's always worried about me, concerned about me. She's such a sweetheart. Always checking up on me. She's so adorable. Yeah, I was telling my Legion, I say, y'all, if someone you trying to ally with take over an hour to give an answer, they've already chose the other Legion. And sure enough, just like I told them, they chose the other Legion. Let me tell y'all something. Legions know who they want to work with 15 minutes into the game. 15 minutes. Don't take them that long. They already know. Yeah. So if they talking about taking forever and not discussing, it's you can hang it up. But my thing is, why be jerks about it? You have someone who spoke to you, asked you a question. You say you'll get back to them. Knowing doggone well you don't plan on allying with them. Just tell them we already chose another ally. That way the rest of us ain't sitting around looking like a damn fools waiting for an answer. But see, I knew better. And I was trying to explain that to them. Baby, they've already chose the other Legion. Yeah, Jay working with Azure. Yeah, they don't want us. Jay got Azure got an extra whale. Now if Azure had one whale, most likely they would have chose us. But yeah, our two little whales versus them having 6 together, shoot. And like I told them straight up, I said Jay and Azure, they're afraid to fight each other. Yeah, they're afraid to fight each other, so that's why they doing what they doing. They scared to fight each other. So you might hang that up. Oh my gosh, here go Baby Jim. Now y'all know I got a short on Baby Jim, who gets left behind and be getting beat up. I gotta ask her why. Now look at her over here. She done snuck off on her own, by herself. Baby Jim, why? Baby Jim. Baby Jim, stop it. Baby Jim, oh my God. Baby Jim. Baby Jim, what are you doing? Baby Jim, no. Oh my gosh, Baby Jim. Baby Jim, please. Baby Jim, you don't have no help. What are you doing? Here we go. Now there she goes. She dying. All she had to do was say, Baby Jim, what the hell are you? Baby Jim. Why, Baby Jim? Why? Baby Jim, why? Baby Jim, why? Why did she do that? Why do she do that? Why do my children do this to me? Baby Jim! Baby Jim! What are you doing? We've been through this before. Look on my channel. There is a short when you did this. Oh my gosh, not again. Baby Jim, you so young. Baby Jim. Baby Jim, you so young. Why? I just don't understand it. Why she won't stop it? She loves killing herself. I don't know why. I need to talk to her. I need to talk to Baby Jim. Now, that's one of my daughters from Big Guns on Fire. I don't understand why she do that to herself. I couldn't even enjoy the enjoyment of her right here, Baggins right here, shooting it, because Baby Jim, once again, came over here and killed herself. Like, what is going on? I feel like I need to have a discussion with her. Baby Jim. Baby Jim. You got me yelling at the screen again. Did you see my short about you? Oh. What the hell? What the hell, Baby Jim? What the hell? Baby Jim! Come on! She can't do that. She's just a baby. Now this one was good. This one was good. I like this one. I had fun. Yeah, this one was good. All right, let's check everybody out. Okay, throw that commando away. Didn't show up. Throw that one away. Throw these two away. Did not show up. And you throw this whole goddamn. You throw the whole group away. Don't you ever use these commanders again. You throw the whole damn group away. I keep trying to tell y'all, get y'all some commanders y'all can depend on and make you a solid team that you can rely on. This random crap, this ain't it. Look, you can even tell y'all not in unity. Look, y'all from several different teams. No, no, no. You need some unity, baby. You see how there's a whole bunch of B-78s up here, 88s and Pocos. Yeah, they'll be fussing at each other later on about little Poco Rassans or whatever your name is. Yeah, they're gonna be fussing at you later. You see, these are all my children. Big guns of fire, big guns of fire. And even though I'm at art, big guns of fire. And Doll is big guns of fire too, but she visiting another art. Shit. Another AR for yeah. Y'all know what the hell I'm trying to say. Okay, that's enough. Alright, Commander, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. When I see your comment, I will comment back because you could have been anywhere else in the world but chose to spend time me, Miss World Class. So this is what I wanted. I wanted this. Alrighty then. Bye-bye-bye.